and Buttimer is an Irish geographer. She is Emeritus Professor of Geography at University College, Dublin. Background: Buttimer grew up in Ireland with strong Catholic convictions. She studied at University College Cork and the National University of Ireland. After this, she joined the Dominican Order and moved to Seattle. She remained in the order for 17 years. Her Ph.D. in geography was from the University of Washington in 1965 and concerned conceptual and methodological foundations for social geography. She was a postdoctoral fellow at the University of Leuven and from 1966 to 1968 worked as an assistant professor at the University of Seattle. She spent 2 years at the University of Glasgow working in the social geography of housing, before joining Clark University from 1970 to 1981, where she firmly established a reputation as a social geographer and social scientist. In 1982 she was based in London as a research fellow of the Swedish Council for Humanities and Social Sciences, then briefly a professor at the Université d'Ottawa before moving to University College Dublin 1991 to 2003. A multilingual scholar, she has also held numerous short-term positions in Europe. She was president of the IGU 2000 to 2004 and the first geographer to be vice president of Academia Europaea in 2012. Scholarship: in the early part of her career, the quantitative revolution occupied social scientists, and Buttimer trained in this tradition before moving beyond it towards philosophical themes at the intersection of the biophysical and human sciences. These shaped her research directions in spirituality, social geography, and particularly the documentation of everyday life experiences. These areas served as a model for the ways in which geographers can bridge the theory-practice divide. Her contributions have been to history and philosophy of science, urban and social geography, migration and identity, environmental experience, nature and culture, environment and sustainable development, and the human dimensions of global change. She chaired an EU-funded research network on sustainable development that had a significant influence on EU policy debates. Her work provided important insights into the ways in which communication between scientists and planners can be improved. She has authored many books and articles on society and space, urban planning, the history of ideas, and environmental policy. She is perhaps best known for the practice of geography and for combining French, Swedish, and Anglophone academic traditions in the study of humanity and environment. In 2014, she was awarded the Water-and-Lud Prize, colloquially called the Nobel Prize for Geography. Recognition: Water-and-Lud Prize, 2014. Lifetime Achievement Honors, Association of American Geographers, 2014. Doctor Honoris Causa, Université Joseph Fourier, Grenoble. Wahlberg Medal, Swedish Society for Anthropology and Geography, 2009. Doctor Honoris Causa, Tartu University, 2004. Fellow, Royal Irish Academy, 2000. Royal Scottish Geographical Society Millennium Award, 2000. Doctor Honoris Causa, University of Joensuu, 1999. Royal Geographical Society Murchison Award, 1997. Ellen Churchill Semple Award, Department of Geography, University of Kentucky, 1991. Association of American Geographers, Honors Award, 1986. Fulbright Hayes Visiting Professor in Social Ecology to Sweden, 1976. Publications: Buttimer, A&T, Mells, 2006. By Northern Lights. On the Making of Geography in Sweden, London, Ashgate Press. Buttimer, A. 2001. Sustainable Landscapes and Lifeways, Issues of Scale and Appropriateness. Cork University Press. Buttimer, A.S. Brandon U. Wardenger, 2000. Text and Image, Social Construction of Regional Knowledges. Leipzig, Inst. Verlandigend. Buttimer, A. and Wallen L. 1999. Nature and Identity in Cross-Cultural Perspective. Dordrecht, Kluwer. Buttimer, A. 1994. Geography and the Human Spirit. The Johns Hopkins University Press. Buttimer, A. 1991. Land Life Lumber Leisure, Ottawa, ONT. Royal Society of Canada. Buttimer, A. 1990. Geography, Humanism and Global Concern. Annals of the Association of American Geographers 80-1-33. Buttimer, A. 1988. The Wake of Erasmus. Saints, Scholars and Studia in Medieval Norden. Lund University Press. Buttimer, A. and T. Haugerstrom, 1988. Geographers of Norden. Reflections on Career Experiences. Lund University Press. Buttimer, A. 1983. Creativity and Context. Lund Studies in Human Geography. Sir. B. No. 50. Buttimer, A. 1983. The Practice of Geography. London. Longman. Buttimer, A. and D. Seaman, 1980. The Human Experience of Place and Space. London. Croomhelm Publishers. Buttimer, A. 1976. Grasping the Dynamism of Life World. Annals of the Association of American Geographers 66-277-292. Buttimer, A. 1974. The Values in Geography. Washington, D.C. Commission on College Geography. Buttimer, A. 1971. Society and Milieu in the French Geographic Tradition. Chicago, Rand McNally.